Welcome to our Green Acres, everybody. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Teresa, and I'm so glad everybody's here today. Today's video is going to be a fun one. I'm going to take y'all along and show y'all some things that I have purchased to decorate my home for Easter and springtime. I'm going to share some ideas with you, show you how we can take some simple pieces of some really trendy little half spheres, some greenery, some wreaths, and some cute little rabbit decor. And I'm also going to show y'all a couple ways that we can make some DIY decor. So I hope y'all stick around. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And as always, I hope you get lots of ideas for your home and inspiration. Also, I want to mention at the end of the video, I'm going to be offering a $25 gift card. So y'all stay tuned for that. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it. And also go over and follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. Okay, the first project is I'm going to show y'all how we can make a DIY cotton spear. And you're going to need a Dollar Tree, a styrofoam ball, and you can also pick these up, I think, at Walmart. And I just took some cotton stems that I had left over from the fall season. And of course, you just want to clip all those off. And I'm not sure how many I used. I used these, and then I pulled some more from another stem also. But you just basically want to go in with your hot glue gun. You want to poke a hole in the styrofoam ball, and then you just want to add a little bit of glue down in there. So when you stick that little piece of that stem down in there, it'll have something to adhere to. And you just basically work yourself around the top part of the ball. You want to go all the way down to the ball to where when you set it down on something, you won't see the styrofoam ball. So you just work it around. There's no pattern. You know, you just want to go in and fill in wherever you see any little gaps or any holes. And then that way you can set the bottom part of that styrofoam ball down on, you know, these things can go on urns. You can put them on terracotta pots. And I'm going to show you a couple of vases or pictures that I had, and I set it on it. You can even just set them up on a shelf. You know, you can put them in a dough bowl. There's so many things that you can do with these half spheres. So now I'm just going to let you sit back and see a couple ways I'm styling it for you. Such an easy piece to make and so affordable, and there's so many uses for it, and I think it looks so pretty with a neutral color for spring and Easter. Now I'm going to show you how we can take a Dollar Tree or dollar item and make some vintage, I'm calling it raffia. It's kind of, I don't know, Easter grass. You know what I'm talking about. It's just that shredded paper. And I purchased it in white. I'm taking some leftover coffee, and you could probably, if you have leftover tea would probably work just as good. You just want to go in, and I put the whole bag in at first, and I took half of it out because I felt like it was too much. So work with half the bag at first. You just want to drench it really good, all the pieces, make sure they've all gotten stained, and then you want to wring them out really well. Then you want to go in and separate them, and we're going to spread them out on, I just used some cardboard. I think this is a cereal box that I've cut open, and I use it, you know, when I work on my crafts a lot. But I'm just wringing out that second part of that raffia, and then just spread it out. And then it was a pretty spring day outside, so lots of sunshine. So I set it outside on my front porch and just let it air dry. And I'll show you in just a minute how cute it looks. And this right here, I'm going to show you different ways that you can style it. But just another way that we can bump up a dollar item and make it look really good in our home decor for spring and Easter. Here's the grass once it's dried, and you can see it's very durable. It didn't tear or anything like that. When it got wet, it worked really well. Now I'm going to show you how we can put together a really cute Easter spring display. I'm going to take some bowls that I have, and I'm going to take some of those little Dollar Tree carrots, and then I'm going to take a rabbit. And I'm going to tell you about the rabbit that I purchased. I love him, and I'll tell you where I get him from, and I'll leave a link to him down below. But I took 3 bowls. 2 of these I purchased at a yard sale for very inexpensive. And I'm showing you, I took some other bowls of assorted sizes, and those are going to be my bases. But you basically want to stack first a large bowl, then a medium-sized bowl, and then a smaller bowl. And that smaller bowl on top, that's actually a Dollar Tree bowl. So a lot of times, if you can look up, Dollar Tree will have some really pretty white dishes. So I'm just using that vintage inspired raffia that we just made, and I'm showing you how we can just, put it inside our stacked bowls. Then we're going to add that little cute rabbit to the top, and then we're going to add some Dollar Tree carrots. Now, I purchased this little rabbit from a vendor online, and it's called Summer's Market Floral and Home Decor. And I've purchased things from her store before, and I love all of her products. So when I went out online to shop to see what she had for spring, I had to buy a couple of things. So this little rabbit I'm going to show you here, he was $9.95. I think he's 8 inches tall, and he's called, I think he's distressed cream color, but he is so cute. Now I'm going to take, I'm showing you 1 pack of the carrots, but I'm actually going to use 2 because I did have 2 on hand. And I'm just going to go in and just put those little carrots in there. And then I'm going to add a little bow also to my bunny, just to give him a little bit more of an embellishment. And I'm going to show you, a few ways of how you can style this, and also how you can take some more Dollar Tree products if you don't want to, if you don't have a bunny on hand. I'll show you some couple of little Dollar Tree bags that I purchased last year and show you how cute they are in the top. And also I'm showing you here, you can also, if you don't have any extra bowls on hand for your bases, you can use plastic bags to help stack your bowls. If you like this video so far, I hope you'll hit that like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love for you to. I'm going to show you another little quick DIY project. It's going to be a little beaded garland, and I'm going to take a little Etsy download that I purchased, and you got a whole sheet of these, and I just cut one of them out, and then I'm just going around the edges because I like to distress my decoupage items. This is a wood slice beaded garland that I made in a previous video back in the fall, and I'm going to link that video down below. So if you want to see how I made the beaded garland, I'll make sure to link that video below. But when I made it, I just left the little wood slice plain on this one, and so I wanted to add something to it. I had it sitting upstairs, and I thought, why not? Let's add a bunny to it. So I just got some Mod Podge out, I applied my little bunny to it, and then I'm going to add a cute little bow, and just another little element to add to your little Easter and spring vignettes. Now I want to show y'all some more styling options of how we can use some products in our home. Now these are some items The wood slice I purchased from Arteza, but the little bird and this little wreath, I purchased that from a local vendor here near my hometown, and he does ship. So I'm going to leave his store information down below. So if you want any of these products, you can get in touch with him, and I know he will be happy to help y'all. He's just a local business, but like I say, he's got on the bandwagon and he will ship things to you. So I purchased this little grapevine greenery wreath and that bird, and I'm just going to show you some ways of how you can take 3 pieces and you can style these, and these just make such great additions to set out to add that little spring touch to your spaces in your home. Okay, I'm just going to show you some more styling options. Half spheres are so trendy right now, so I'm going to show you some different options and some that I picked up. This is another half sphere. I love these. You can just set these on top of just about anything. You know, like I told you, pots, urns, the sky's the limit. And I have this cute little bunny planter that my mom gave me a couple of years ago, and it had a plant in it, and the plant, it passed on. So, and then I'm showing you another wreath. This is a wreath that I also purchased at Stevens Antiques. So I'll have, like I say, I'm going to have his information linked below. So if you're interested in these products, get in touch with him. And this is the little half spear, and I'm just showing you how well it fit down in that little bunny bunny planter. I thought it turned out so cute. It just adds that really cute little pop of green that it needed. And these little half spheres are very affordable. And I just talked to Steven today, and he said he just got a new shipment of the half spheres in, so he's got a huge selection right now. So now I'm going to show you one that I purchased in lavender. This lady that had a booth in Steven's store, she had tons of these. I couldn't decide. I just went in and just bought several because I could not decide which one I liked the most. So of course I picked up this lavender one because y'all know I love lavender. And I just paired it with my little bunny I got. And I'm just showing you different ways of how you can put the half spears. You can set them down into wreaths. You know, the sky is the limit on these. They're so much fun to decorate with. Here I'm showing you how well that little lavender half spear worked. My little lavender bucket that I made in a previous video, I'll link that video down below if you want to see how I made the little lavender bucket and also the little stack books. I just love how it paired so well in that little bucket, and all I did was just stick it on top of that bucket, and that was it. Here's another spear that I got. This one's got more of a little yellow flowers in it, super springy. And I'm just showing you, you know, get your wood slice, put your little spear on there, and add a little bird. This just makes such an easy little decor piece, and it just really, like I say, it just shouts out spring to me because I love birds, and of course we all love the little florals and the greenery this time of year. So just another little easy decor piece to put together. Here's another idea for the little yellow floral half spear, or any half spear for that fact. I just used it because I have the little yellow bird, but you can put it on top of candlesticks. You know, add your little birds, your bird nest, whatever you want to, and don't be afraid to lay your wreaths down flat. You know, just add a little greenery to the tabletop. I had that little table on the side of my sofa, so I just, you know, set my little bunnies, paired that with my little half sphere, my bird, and you see what a cute little vignette that makes. Alright, now I'm going to show you a cute, really easy little bunny display. We're going to take an inexpensive bunny that I purchased at Dollar General for $4. We're going to take that really pretty wreath, and then I'm going to show you how, if you have like a, some kind of an urn or like a large bowl, just how you can place your bunny down in that and just place that wreath around it, and what a really cute little centerpiece this makes, and so easy to put together. I also want to mention here that the little cute bunny pillow cover that is listed in my Amazon store, and I'll have a link to my store down in my description box. Now I want to tell y'all how y'all can win a $25 gift card to one of my favorite vendors, Totally Dazzled. I have been working with them for almost a year and a half now, and I love all of their products. Well, they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to offer y'all a $25 gift card, and I said absolutely. Y'all, this company is amazing, and I don't know if you've ever went out to their website to shop or if you've ever used any of their products, but they have so many to choose from. Some of the great qualities about Totally Dazzled's products are they sell at wholesale prices, so that means you're getting more sparkle for your money. They have a wide selection of inspiring choices. They offer next day shipping, and they have satisfaction guaranteed. All the rules to be eligible for the gift card will be listed in my description box, but it's really easy. You just need to like my video today. You need to be subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure to go over and subscribe to Totally Dazzled's YouTube channel, and also go over and like them on Facebook and Instagram. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and as always, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching, and don't forget to go out and check out Stephen's Antiques for all these great products you've seen in today's video.